Hello guys, welcome again. Now we are in the perfect time to see the wildlife in action. Normally, the residents of the rainforest become more active at this time. So follow me and let's go to explore. And here we have our first friend. This one is an emerald basilisk, or also known as a Jesus Christ lizard. We call it like that because in this species they have the ability to run on top of the water when they are escaping from predators. What we're seeing now is one of the gems of the rainforest. This one is the red-eyed tree frog, and as the name says, it's an arboreal species and completely active just at night. What they are doing now, it's called axillary amplexus, and is the way that they reproduce. It means that we're going to find the female in the bottom, laying their eggs, and the male from the top of the female is going to fertilize them. Those are the eggs of the red-eyed tree frog, the frog that we saw before. In this case, this one is a new jelly mass, so they are gonna be here for about a week. And after that, they are gonna drop in the water to become tadpoles, and about 42 days later, they are going to become a tiny frog. After those days, this is what we are going to see, a juvenile red-eyed tree frog just ready to start their life in the wild. Here we can see perfectly nature in action. Look at that. Here we have an colubrid. Colubrid is a non-venomous species. And actually it was super close of the red-eyed tree frog. So we could think that it's maybe trying to catch them, but in this case this species feeds mainly on its eggs. That's why it's near here. We got something else here. In this case, this one is the smoky jungle frog, and this one is the largest frog that we can find in Costa Rica, and also is another animal that we can see just at night. This one is a wood thrush. It's one of the migratory species that we can see. In Costa Rica, we have the chance to see three kinds of basilisks. In the Caribbean slope, we have the chance to see two of them, the emerald basilisk that we saw before, and this one, the second one. In this case, this one, it's a male. So how we can identify males? Basically, because they have a long crest along their body, and in the females they don't have that. There we can see several shells of cicada, and actually there is one coming out of its body. Cicadas or cicadas, here in Costa Rica, they are very famous because they start to come out in the Easter time in Costa Rica, and they are very active in the morning, and they start to produce a very loud call, actually just males that they have to call for the females because the females they cannot produce sound. There we have a slender anole. This is a diurnal animal, and now we can see them trying to rest. Look at there, that one, it's a wandering spider. Wandering spider is one of the toxic spiders that we can find in the forest. And in this case, they don't use a spider web because they have to catch their own prey.